My name is Maria Juana, and I am a Visa 482 foreigner in Western Australia. It's a bright and sunny day. My name is Maria Juana. At sa wakas ay pupunta na kaming Australia. We are finally at the Davao City International Airport. I'm so nervous. Today, I'm traveling with my 4 kids and my 10 personalities. Kaya ako ay sobrang kinakabahan talaga. So currently nakapila kami dito sa bag drop. Ayan, medyo mahaba-haba yung pila. Pagkatapos dito, we will go to the counter kung saan kami magbabayad ng travel tax. Grabe, sobrang init dito. So for this trip, we had to bring our passports, visas, travel tickets, and birth certificates just in case nahanapin ng immigration officer. We also had to register for e-travel 72 hours before our flight. And lastly, meron din kaming additional documents such as the COVID vaccination certificate at yung health card ng mga anak ko kasi we are planning to enroll them to school in Australia at required daw yun. Flight namin is going to be Davao to Singapore mula 5:50 hanggang 9:25 ng gabi. Tapos Singapore naman papuntang Perth mula alas 12 ng tanghali hanggang alas 5 ng hapon the next day. So magle-layover kami,
aka Tambay Pogi,
sa Changi Airport ng Singapore for almost 16 hours. Siya nga pala, nakakatuwa si Scoot Airlines kasi binigyan kami ng free check-in baggage para sa 2 bags na to kasi dapat carry-on na namin to. Kaya thank you talaga Scoot Airlines, malagaan niyo yung buhay ko.
I'm not scared.
Oh, that's very brave of you.
No, we fly instead.
We're gonna fly soon. You're funny.
I pack it.
What?
A lot of cabin pressure, oxygen mask automatic.
Hi, Mommy.
So ganito kalaki yung aming leg room. Ito naman yung lalagyan ng bags under the seats at yung mga catalogs ng Scoot Airlines. Medyo pricey talaga yung kanilang mga paninda, pero kung afford mo naman, di ba? Edi why not coconut? Ito naman yung mahiwagang paper bag kapag sukang-suka ka na talaga. And for our pocket money, we only have about 8,000 pesos left. And this is after I paid our travel tax. 1,620 pesos for me, tapos 800 pesos each naman, multiplied by 4, kasi I'm traveling with 4 kids. But if you have the OCE o yung Overseas Employment Certificate, ay pwede kang maka-avail ng discounted travel tax rate sa halagang 300 pesos. But unfortunately, wala kami nun kasi hindi nakinig sa seminar yung aking magaling na asawa. Kaya wala akong dalang OCE niya.
A few moments later.
We landed exactly 9:27 in Singapore. So far, so good. Nag-behave naman yung mga anak ko. Hindi sila naging maingay sa flight.
Hi, salamat.
I'm coming. Hi. Ang bigat. Ito naman yung SG arrival card ng Singapore na kailangan mong kumpletuhin kung nais mong lumabas ng terminal at maglakwatsa sa Singapore. At since ayaw ko nang dagdagan pa yung sakit ko sa ulo, I decided na hindi na kami aalis sa terminal na to. If I'm not mistaken, nandito kami sa Terminal 1 ng Changi Airport.
I am cool. Yeah. Oh, up there. Found it. Up there.
Great job! Our next stop is the sleeping lounge kasi gusto ko na talagang matulog after all.
The Skimberloo na nangyari.
So bale, sinundan lang namin yung mga directions at syempre nagtanong-tanong din kami. Changi Airport is definitely so much bigger than I imagined. Hindi ako na ready na ganito pala siya kalaki. Sandwich lang muna kasi we are really tired. We just want something light so we can go to sleep. Tapos eto. Okay, may ito mga nasa $1. Tapos eto mga nasa $3.
I'm so angry because...
Alright, let's eat. Oh, get out of the way because
What's going inside here?
yeah, and just me. We are glad that we are able to find a spot here to sleep kasi punong-puno yun talagang mga sleeping, matulugan dito guys is really full na kaya medyo nahirapan kami kung saan kami pupwesto. We met two beautiful ladies. They are very kind to us, in fairness. Supposedly kasama namin sila dito sa area na to, but then they decided to give the space to us instead. So now we have the entire area. Hello, sobrang hyper kasi natulog yan sa eroplano. Good night, Tay. And bale may 4 na upuan dito, guys. I'm very tired already. Okay? Good night.
A few moments later.
It's now 5 o'clock in the morning. Everyone is still sleeping. Anyway, last night nagpapalit na rin pala kami ng pera. So from 8,150 pesos, napalitan siya ng 183 Singaporean dollars. Ito naman yung next naming in-explore dito sa Changi Airport, yung kanilang CR kasi nga, syempre morning na at kailangan naming mag-CR. In fairness, ang ganda ng banyo nila dito, guys. It's big, clean, and very modern. Yung bagay talaga siyang tawaging comfort room kasi mako-comfort ka talaga.
A few moments later.
We are now at the 24/7 food court ng Changi Airport Terminal 1. So marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian dito na masasarap na pagkain and you can buy food for as low as $8 and drinks for $4. Why?
Because it's a smiley face. No, it's going away. It's going out.
Ito nga pala yung pinagkakaguluhan ng mga anak ko, yung kanilang robot na dish collector. Kinokolekta niya yung mga used plate. Let's get some drinks. I'm so thirsty. Right this way.
Oh, this one looks sweet.
Oh, just pick one. Nahulog. Walrus.
Love it. Look at this thing. It's a hamster.
Oh, it's so pretty. What is it? You want bananas?
I like banana. Okay, banana.
A few moments later.
So habang inaantay namin yung aming flight ay nag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa airport ng Singapore. Sobrang daming pwedeng gawin dito like kumain, mag-shopping kung may pera ka or magtambay muna kasi maraming namang magagandang area dito na pwedeng pagtambayan. Oh, look at this fishy. Hi guys.
Mom. Yeah, I see one. Ah, I scared it.
Are you happy guys? Hey, don't touch the cactus, ha? Hey! Oh no! You're not supposed to do that.
It's a butterfly! It's a butterfly! Butterfly!
Now, let's talk about the Bureau of Immigration questions ng bansang Pilipinas.
Hi!
D37, we're almost there. So, first question nila ay kung saan daw kami pupunta at kung sino-sino daw yung mga kasama ko sa biyahe. Tinanong din nila kung paano ko nakuha yung aming visa, if I was a student or etc. They also ask if for good na ba kami sa Australia. So far, naging maganda naman yung experience namin sa Bureau of Immigration. Hindi naman sila istrikto. In fact, yung agent na nag-assist sa amin ay very smiling and kind. Malayong malayo sa mga nababalita sa TV at ng mga vloggers na experience nila sa Bureau of Immigration ng naitut.
Hoy, chismosa!
A few moments later.
We are now on our flight to Perth mula Singapore. This flight is supposed to last 5 hours. I'm so glad na nagdala kami ng mga unan at saka mga coloring kit para naman kahit papaano ay maging comfortable naman yung mga kids sa biyaheng to. Ito naman yung mga food na in-order namin for this flight. Actually, pre-ordered tong mga to. To be honest, mas maganda talaga sila sa picture kaysa sa personal. Pero in fairness, I like the food. Masarap naman siya. Now, let's talk about the incoming passenger card ng bansang Australia. Binibigay ito during the flight and must be completed bago ka pa bumaba ng eroplano. Otherwise, madedelay ka pagdating sa immigration interview ng bansang Australia. You just need to fill out kung anong information yung hinihingi like name, address, or passport number, tapos yung mga items na kailangan mong i-declare tulad ng pagdadala ng firearm, meat products, mga buto ng halaman, at kung ano-ano pa. Just make sure to be honest with your declaration and to do your own research kung ano yung mga bawal na dalhin. Para naman sa immigration ng Australia, tinanong lang kami ng officer kung hanggang kailan kami mag-stay sa Australia, hinanap yung card at saka yung aming mga passports, and also verify yung aming mga pangalan. And that's it. Welcome to Australia. We're going out of the airport. Finally, we have arrived. At sa wakas, nakarating na rin talaga kami sa abroad. We are finally foreigners in Australia until further notice. 7 months din kaming nagtiis na hindi kasama yung aking magaling na asawa. Pero buti na lang at we are all together now. Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin, from families to strangers. Also to our kids who are really well behaved and obedient during our trip to Australia. It's a miracle and I'm so proud of them talaga. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Also, feel free to share this video and comment your thoughts in the comment section down below. Until next time, bye!